Welcome to Let's Wander, the travel and hiking vlog.
Dear friends, this is Suresh. I will be going to take you through the trek to Purana Gaon, which is in Tanao district of Nepal. First of all, thanks to my brother for letting me share the experiences through this platform. This was my first and most memorable visit to Nepal ever. It is this unforgettable balcony which I used to sleep with a magnificent view of the mountain. This was our guest house, and this is our Thuliyama, the elder mother of the entire village. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Before the Kapuche and Kori trek, my elder brother and I were discussing about acclimatizing to the conditions here. Then our dad said, "You want to trek? I will take you to a place tomorrow." So we started our trek around 7 am to Purana Gaon under his lead. Fresh in the morning, we were all excited and pumped up. The agriculture fields in the mountains are like staiths, one upon the other. Crossing the fields, we entered the jungle. It looks like a real trek has begun now. After a short climb, we realized we are still in some village, as we could see human habitat around. We have just entered the jungle at the foothills of the mountain. Though it was a chilled morning, our jackets were off in an hour's trek. The steep climb has just begun. It is a narrow trail with small uneven rocks amidst bushes all around. It was all going up here on. A staff comes very handy when you are climbing up the mountains. It is like another limb added to our advantage. Look at the pace of our legs now. You can understand how steep the climb is so far. As we entered midway to the forest, the view was spectacular with fog all over the forest. It was a lifetime experience to trek in such an amazing atmosphere with my family. The fog was so dense that one could not sight anything beyond few meters. Do you see this post here? It is a night halt for those who get stuck in forest during nights to safeguard from wild animals. And the platform there is for people to take a break and rest during their journey through the jungle. It was a very special, memorable and lifetime experiences for all three of us. Me, my brother and my sister-in-law, as we were trekking with a 76-year-old father who was sharing his memories and experiences of his young days. I really wonder if this kind of opportunity would come ever again? Even if it comes, could he be able to trek like this? It was not an easy trek at all. When he said that he is going to take us for a trek, considering his age, I thought it would be an easy task. He said just 4 kilometers. I thought it might take a maximum of an hour to go and come back. It took me 2 hours to understand that 1 kilometer in mountains would take 1 hour or maybe more depending on the fitness of the person and conditions of the mountain you are trekking. It's been 2 hours and he still says it's halfway to go. I was taken aback by his stamina and his endurance at this age with 3 surgeries he had in the past. The weather was so magnificent that there was no fatigue or dehydration in spite of the steep climb. Yet another platform and post for wanderers to rest. We are now into the final stage of the trek to Purana Gaon. It appears to be a steep hike from here on. As we began to climb higher, the sun rose and was getting hotter. Our own clothes were now looking like a burden. These amazing trees caught our attention. We are now on the top of the mountain. It looks like we are close to Purana Gaon. Look, where is our captain? He left us way behind. Finally, we could see a couple of houses. We got caught up in these bushes. Separating the weeds with a staff, we marched further ahead. This entire place is used to be an agricultural field. Now the long weeds and trees have grown up all over. There used to be a big village here. We hardly found 10 to 12 houses in the village. This is the stone cage established by the villagers to catch the wild cats. After spending a couple of hours enjoying the view around, we marched back home. Thanks for watching Let's Wander.